And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody out there, especially the people who watching this channel. Once again, I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, who follows and subscribes, leaves comments, all that such good things. As you can see on the title, this video is about me making it over 100 subscribers. I know that's probably not a big deal for a whole lot of people, but for me, being a first beginner YouTuber, that's a big deal to me, because that means that I'm excelling, and I'll keep excelling. We're gonna go ahead and get this cold start. We can't start a Christmas without a cold start from Grace. She is in Christmas spirit with her colors, and we're gonna get this cold start, and I'll be back with y'all here in a minute. And there she is, y'all. Grace sitting pretty. As y'all can see, that sparkling octane red is it's really shining. You can see right there in the corner where the sun is hitting it. Man, you can tell she's shining right now. I am doing a paint correction here soon, because I am starting to see a little bit of faint, kind of small swirls in there in the paint, but it just comes from just drying the car. And I mean, it's very hard to prevent that, but as you all know, everybody's gonna get some swirls in there, so I'm gonna try to get this paint correction and put a ceramic coat on there. That way it preserves this paint a little bit better, and hopefully I can prevent that from in the near future. But there's Grace sitting pretty once again, and yes, we do have those guards on there. It's on there for a specific reason. Let me give y'all a little walk around. I cleaned her up yesterday, wheels shining, shined her up, put a little bit of exterior detailing. That's going to be West Coast Customs exterior detail. You can get that at Walmart or AutoZone or any of your local car part stores. I'm sure they have it in there, but it shines the car up pretty good. You can see on the side how the sun's popping off right there. Yep, it's got factory tint on there, so it's not too dark. I ain't got to worry about the police messing with me. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this cold start in for y'all real quick, because it is Christmas. And once again, Merry Christmas to everybody out there, friends and family. Hope you're watching this video. Hope you like it. Hit the subscribe button if you already hadn't, and leave me a comment down there, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell up there in the corner. I very appreciate it. Let me go ahead and get this cold start in, and then we're gonna get in the video. It's gonna be a short one because I got things to do, going to see family and friends. So let's go ahead without further ado. Here we go. Might have to hit that thing again. Hey, what's up, guys? We back. So hope y'all like that cold start right there. We had to get the day started. It is about 10:30 in the morning, so your boy done ate breakfast, went to the gym this morning, got a little workout in, went and got swole. Wiped Grace down a little bit a while ago, and now about to go out to friends and family. But like I said earlier, the title of the video is past 100 subscribers. I think I got 102. I'm proud of myself, honestly, because I didn't think this whole YouTube thing was gonna pan out for me. I'm not really good in front of camera, but I know it's a learning process. It's something that you have to kind of get used to. Thus far, I have learned a lot of stuff about video software, editing videos, all that good stuff, and I'm still learning. You know, I mean, I'm far from these top YouTubers out here. Even some of the middle class YouTubers, I'm far from the things that they are able to do as far as editing videos and certain equipment. As you all know, I still record from my iPhone 11 or not iPhone 11. I'm jumping ahead. I want the thing. My 10SX. I am recording from that phone. It does good for me right now, just until I'm able to get better equipment. I'm actually just shopping around to try to find equipment, but I think I'm just gonna have to talk to a couple of people that have more experience and seeing what I need as far as beginner tools, like as cameras, microphones, etc., all that good stuff. But I mean, it does what it has to do. The phone works for me just fine. I am wanting to start uploading more frequently, as I said in the last video. It's just that I do have a full-time job and it takes up a lot of my day, and once I get done with that, I got to try to go to the gym, and after that, you know how it goes, you get tired and you don't really want to do much. But hopefully here in the near future, I can have a little bit more time where I can throw some videos out. I know it is the cold season, not a lot of people are out, so hopefully by the beginning of 2020, once hopefully after this 2020 Dodge Challenger wide body comes out and I get that video, hopefully after that, and the car groups and car clubs start to come back out and mingle and get together, I should have the proper equipment to where I can actually make my videos better as far as quality, stabilization, all that good stuff that you need to make these videos better and make people want to watch them. So hopefully by mid-March, should be about mid-March, I should have all my equipment and I can start doing my videos better, hopefully getting some 4K video resolution in. I know the phone, like I said, the phone does me good, but I know a lot of people out here watching videos, they like to see it in better resolution and all that good stuff. So hopefully here in the near future, we'll have all that stuff, and we'll start posting videos more frequently, because I'll be able to go to more car shows. Hopefully we can get some more races in Mexico like we did the other day, which that was a little something. But hopefully we can probably get some more of that good stuff. I know a lot of people like to look at racings and stuff like that, because I do as well. That's the first thing I'll usually search in my engine search on YouTube is, you know, Scat Pack versus 5.0, you know, or whatever the case is. So hopefully we can get some stuff like that in the near future. But that's pretty much all we got for the day. It was just a little quick one just to give y'all a little shout out for subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really do. I know, like I said, I'm just getting started, but it's gonna get better as time goes on. I mean, I think this is like months 3 or 4 into it, and for somebody who doesn't upload every day, I think I'm doing somewhat okay, you know. Like I said, I appreciate everybody who's watching, who's subscribed to the channel. Please leave comments. I really like comments. I know a lot of local people have been leaving comments here in Charlotte. Just me being out and about, you know, going to the grocery store, the gym, people behind me, they see it, they subscribe to the channel, they might leave me a comment and tell me they see me. I comment back, tell them I appreciate it. I usually let everybody know that I appreciate them leaving comments and hitting the thumbs up button. But yeah, that's what this video is about. 101 subscribers. I'm pretty stoked myself. Honestly didn't think I would get that far, but let's see if we can shoot to 500, possibly 1,000, you know, once we get to that point. I haven't checked my analytics yet to see when I'll be monetized, but hopefully that'll be here soon. I just need people to keep watching the videos and keep that watch time up so I can do all that, because I'm still learning that whole process too. But yeah, that was all I got for y'all today. I did get a gift card from Amazon for Christmas. So with that being said, later on today, whenever I get back home from being out and about, I am going to I am going to be looking for new car parts. I'm thinking about doing some interior stuff, so y'all stay tuned and keep an eye out for that next video. Thinking about doing some interior stuff, possibly right here in the steering wheel somewhere, probably right here in the middle console, but we'll see. I'm still kind of thinking on what I want to do. I'm not gonna really give it away yet, but y'all stay tuned to the video. I appreciate it. we're going to be back with y'all very soon with something else. And once again, Merry Christmas to everybody out there watching the channel. And I thought I heard something about to jump. But yeah, I appreciate it. Y'all stay tuned, and we'll see y'all later. Be safe out there. Peace out.